Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedirita. Let's do your reading for the month of October 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Leo. And Leo, if you haven't watched my iPhone review, you can click on this icon there. You can watch it at the end of the reading. You got Daughter of Cups. It's very nice to see having water element during the first card because you are normally a fire sign and we expect something like Pentacles or Wands, but you got Cups as your first card. It's interesting, maybe in the month of October you'll feel more emotional and that will actually balance your soul element, which is fire. So it's a good way. Daughter of Cups is also looking at yourself, contemplating about yourself, the achievements you have. You're also seeing how colorful you are in the month of October. You might do various things, not only one single thing. So you're already a multi-talented person. So that's good. You're more emotional in the month of October, that I can definitely see. We got a flyer, the Sun card. So having Sun card as a flyer, that's the most happiest thing you can ever have. Sun card is happiness. That's all I can say. Daughter of Cups next to Sun card. Emotional happiness, guys. Leo is, it's a fire sign and the lord of the Leo is Sun, basically. So your soul, basically, the lord, planetary lord, is also represented by soul. And Sun is also represented as soul. So Sun sign, it connects to your soul. So your Leo might be your Sun sign also. This is what I'm getting. Your Lord placement also might be in Leo sign, which is Sun, basically. So that's very good. Happiness, guys, emotional happiness. Daughter next to Sun. Justice, wow, another major arcana. You got exactly in the third position the Justice, which is balance. Justice is balance. You can see black and white, and it came exactly in the middle. Wow, emotional happiness, emotional balance. Daughter of Cups, Sun and Justice. So emotional happiness, emotional balance. This is what you have in the month of October. It is very rewarding for you. Very nice month for you, Leo. You got your card, Sun. What else you can say? You might be connecting with Libra also because you got Justice card. Justice represents Libra. And because of that Libra person, you're being guided to having a balanced life. That's very good. We got few flyers. Wow, I saw Judgment, I saw 4 of Swords and 8 of Pentacles, but I'm not going to take those. Maybe these cards might do something in your life in the month of October. Let's continue. Wow, we got Major Arcana, Devil. It stuck in my hand and it wanted to it got fixated in my hand very strongly. So this card wanted to come out very badly, the Devil card. You might be connecting with Capricorn also, Libra and Capricorn. And this is you, Sun, Leo, basically. It's interesting. These might be your close friends also. Very interesting. Very nice. If you get Justice next to Devil, it's not a bad thing, because since there is more balance, there needs to be a spark of something, and the Devil does it. It's a fire. It's all balance. You can see this. Daughter of Cups is balance because there is reflection of this. Okay, there's reflection. Over here there is fire. In the middle there is Swords, which is balance, Justice card. Again fire. So fire, balance and fire. It's all balanced. It's all synchronistic here. Leo. You might be connecting with Libra, Capricorn. And I can say Capricorn might be this person who starts new cycles for you. Some new cycles will be starting because of this Capricorn person. And because of justice, Libra person, you might have a balanced life. They might do, like, for example, you might be busy, and this Libra person will see you being busy, and they will, do something for you, help you with that. So that's what Libra does, Justice card, in the month of October. That's good. Capricorn, for example, for Devil card, Capricorn might come to you and say, hey, let's do this, let's play a game, something new. That's what represents in this case. So let's see. Beautiful reading, actually. 3 major arcanas, it's a hat trick. 4 of swords. Now you're wondering, why is this happiness coming to me? Why is this happiness coming to me? That's what. You're being in a stalemate and you're thinking deeply. Because in the forehead there is sun. That's the enlightenment, that's the realization. So you're having this realization. Why is this major arcanas, playing a role in your life? You got a hat trick. So you're thinking in your mind, why is this happiness coming to me in the month of October? I'm being blessed. You feel blessed. Absolutely, you can look at that animal. It's feeling blessed. The swords are facing at it, but still, there is few pain in your life for sure. There is painful moments, but you're not concentrating on that. You're not even thinking about it. You're thinking about the happiness you have in the month of October, which is very good. You're just waiting and enjoying life. Yeah, what else I can say? Oh my god, we got 2 cards because these are beautiful cards. I'll take those. I won't take any other cards. It is 10 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. There was one more card behind 10 of Cups, but I don't want to see that because these 2 cards flashed out to me. I want to take only those cards, okay, in my readings. So 10 of Cups is happiness, and deep inside I told you there was one more card. So there is some mystery in this. There is a reason why this happiness is coming to you in the month of October, okay. Definitely everything happens for a reason. There is no accidents or coincidences in this universe. Everything is a result of your actions and consequences of your actions. So 10 of Cups is happiness, emotional happiness, connecting with people, connecting with family, connecting with friends. This is community. You're connecting with everyone. You have etheric cords with everyone. There is a thread with everyone. You're communicating happily. There is no blockages. Even the people whom you're not in contact will contact you in the month of October, and they will share you new things, their journey, their experiences, what they had in life. You might share your experiences, what you had in life. So there will be a good communication, and a lot of money is also coming to you in the month of October. Ace of Cups, and just below you got Ace of Cups, just below Sun card. There will be a lot of money coming to you in the month of October for sure. Maybe a big gift. Maybe someone will give you a nice car, nice home. Just saying. 10 of Cups next to Ace of Pentacles, Few people might have a baby also, because this represents family, and this is Ace addition. So there is someone adding up to the family. It might be a dog, a pet, or a baby. So there's someone coming to your family, maybe someone visiting to your home, some relatives or something like that. That's very good. Let's see. We have 4 and 10, which represents, 4th house is home. You got 4 of Swords. So if there is another 4, then definitely, someone is coming to your home. Okay, I feel like that want to come out, but yeah, that was clear. 2 of Cups. Definitely. I feel someone is gonna communicate with you. Most probably they're gonna give a surprise. They'll come to your home, they'll knock your door, and when you open your door, there'll be a surprise that this person has arrived to your home, and that will be the surprise. That might be a surprise. Two of Cups is meeting, communicating, sharing emotions. Two of Cups. You might share drinks, like, you might have wine with them. You might share drinks, chat, have a nice dine. Maybe go to a very nice dining spot. Something which is very, very natural. Very natural. Definitely. Very, very natural. That's very, very good. You might go to the, natural places and have dining. Ace of Cups next to Ace of Pentacles next to Two of Cups. You got World. Wow. I'm having psychic messages and those are revealing itself from the next card. World is travel. Again, you might be traveling and having a nice, wine with someone else. World is travel, of course. Two of Cups is also meeting together. So what else you can have here? Two of Cups next to World card. Someone is traveling to meet a person and share emotions, share a nice time. Okay, maybe you might be going on a date also. Okay, that's also represented by Two of Cups next to World card. You might have a karmic connection with that person also, because you got Devil. Okay, this L shape I also told in many of my readings about this L shape meaning. Okay, Moon, yeah, many major arcanas. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 10 is not normal. It is definitely rare. You got Moon card. You got here. You got Sun and Moon. So your Sun sign might be Leo. Your Moon sign might be Leo. If you're not into astrology, you have to definitely check out what is your Sun sign and Moon sign, because this Sun sign and Moon sign will play a major role in your month, October month. Your Lord also, your Leo Lord, your planetary lords, where it is placed, check out that. It might be a great helpful for you. And Sun and Moon, again there is balance. You got Justice card, which is again balance. Sun and Moon is also balance. There is a lot of balance. You can see Two of Cups. 2 represents balance. Okay. There is cycles over here. You can see Ace of Pentacles have a cycle. This also have a cycle. World card. So again 2. If I go through that, there will be so many. The Devil has 2 horns, etc, etc. 4, it's a multiple of 2. 10 also multiple of 2. 18 you got. Bottom of the deck, Father of Cups. We got Daughter of Cups in the first card and Father of Cups in the bottom of the card. So as I said, there is a lot of emotional side of you which will reveal in the month of October. Maybe you'll talk more in the month of October. Maybe you'll talk, share emotions more with your family, 10 of Cups, maybe with your partner. Your father, if your father is far away, distant from you, they might come to your home. Okay, that is also there. Because Moon is thinking, it's in the mind. Moon is the mind. It is someone is thinking about you in the month of October. Someone is deeply thinking. If you get Moon next to Father of Cups, your father might be thinking about you, because Moon is the mind. World is travel. That's the reason. Many mixed messages. Maybe you might meet many people, because 10 of Cups, right? Community. You might meet your parents. Someone who is definitely distant from you are gonna come to you. It might be childhood people or people whom you recently met also. So that's all I have for you, Leo. If you do want to watch the reading, do watch it. One of the beautiful readings, always as usual for Leo. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified. Never miss a video. I'll definitely be making a lot of videos for you guys. And thank you guys for so much support. We are almost reaching 1000 subscribers. Let's hit 1000, why not? Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.